Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build executive dashboards in Looker Studio. Step by step, simple and fully updated for 2026. If you need dashboards that leaders can understand in seconds, this guide is exactly what you want. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report or open an existing one. Connect your main business data source. This could be Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, sales data from Google Sheets, or a CRM export. Executives care about outcomes, so focus on data that reflects business performance. Start with high-level KPIs. Add scorecards at the top for metrics like total revenue, growth rate, conversions, active users, or return on ad spend. These should answer the question, how are we doing, at a glance. So yeah, keep it tight. Next, show trends, add 1 or 2 line charts to display performance over time, like revenue growth, user growth, or leads. Avoid clutter. Executives want direction, not every detail. Now add limited breakdowns. Use a bar chart or table to show performance by channel, region, product, or department. Choose only the most important breakdowns. Too many details reduce clarity. Use comparisons wisely. Enable period over period or year over year comparisons in scorecards. This helps executives instantly see growth or decline without manual analysis. Design is critical here. Use clean layouts, consistent spacing, and clear titles. Avoid heavy colors and unnecessary visuals. A calm, professional design builds trust in the data. Honestly, it matters a lot. Add a date range control so leadership can quickly switch time periods. Keep filters minimal and intuitive. Before sharing, switch to view mode. Test the dashboard as if you're an executive. If something takes more than a few seconds to understand, simplify it. And that's it. By focusing on KPIs, trends, clean design, and smart comparisons, you can build powerful executive dashboards in Looker Studio. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.